Hello guys. This is a quick overview on how to set up your account with CureMyself.com. We're going to create a new user. Let's call her Jen. Set up a password. You do need a strong password to set up an account, so make sure that your password is strong and you get the green check mark. We have confirmed our password. Our user's name is Jen. We'll call her Smith. Under profile types, as you'll see, there's a lot of profile types to choose from. Please choose the profile type that best describes you. Jen is a patient. Once you've chosen the best profile type, check the reCAPTCHA, agree to the terms of service, and we're ready to create our account. Before you can log in, you need to confirm and verify your email address. To complete the activation process, please click on the link provided in the email. Your activation key is automatically entered in. All you need to do is click on Activate. And that's it. Your account is active. Now it's time to log in. And we're in. First you'll see is the home page. On the top right corner of the menu, you have your search, your message inbox, your notifications, and your user profile. When you select the user profile, a menu opens up. Right now, let's just go to our profile. As you can see, we only have the details we entered when we set up Jen's account. We're missing a picture, a background, and we can enter some more personal details. Click the Edit button. Your Edit Details information page opens up. Here you can change all of your details as your nickname, first and last name, and profile type. This information page has two tabs, your Main Detail tab and your Personal tab. In the Personal tab, you can enter some more information about you. But don't worry, you can change who can view that information. You can leave it public, only logged in members, only your connections that you've approved, or only you, in which case it's private. Once you have entered all of your personal information, please write a little short bio about yourself. You can enter in your social profiles if you would like other members to be able to connect with you on other platforms. When you're done, save the changes. Click View My Profile. And now we can see that Jen has all of her information on here. Now that we have all of our personal information entered in, let's add our picture. You can take a photo by clicking on this button here from your cell phone or your computer cam, or you can select it on your hard drive, or simply drag a picture and drop it in this area right here. Go ahead and reposition the picture exactly how you want it to look and click Crop. When you view my profile, you can see your picture on here. Now it's time to select our background image. We use the same process. Just click on the camera icon here. For best results, it is recommended that you use an image that is 1950 pixels by 450 pixels or larger. Drag and drop the image here. Click on View My Profile. This is Jen's cat, Jasper. If you would like to reposition your background image, just click on this icon here, and then drag up and down until you're happy with the results. This will work. Same changes. This is it. Now you've fully customized your profile. If you click on the Members directory, now you can see your personal image here. I recommend that you please take the time and complete your profile. It is much more engaging when all of the members have their profile pictures and information fully complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for setting up your profile. In our next tutorial, we're going to go over account setup, where you can personalize your notification preferences, profile visibility settings, and much more. You're also going to learn how to set up new groups and forums, organize your photos and documents, and how to send email invites.